Many of the world's newspapers, scholarly sources, and other valuable documents are preserved to microform, making a microform scanner a necessary research tool for many libraries, universities, history centers, and other research institutions across the globe. Since its release in 2012, the Crowley Company's UScan Plus series has been utilized by countless organizations to view, capture, save, and share microform images. Building off the efficiency, image quality, and ease of use of previous models, Crowley is proud to announce the latest development in the UScan Plus series, the UScan Plus Advanced, which incorporates new hardware and software elements for quicker, easier microform research. Combining the abilities of 4 separate scanners into one, the UScan Plus Advanced can capture all types of 16 and 35mm microfilm, microfiche, film negatives, aperture cards, and more. An easy-to-use glass platen makes loading and unloading of the slides, microfiche, and other flat media an effortless task. For microfilm, a simple path allows film to safely travel through the scanner, while the motorized film spools facilitate steady, agile scrolling. Once loaded, a 20-megapixel sensor displays images in real time on screen without distortion. The camera captures frames in a fraction of a second per image at high resolutions. When capturing roll film, the UScan Plus Advanced can be enabled to automatically scroll while RapidScan, a batch scanning software, systematically captures the microfilm images. Available in multiple languages, the UScan Plus Advanced software utilizes a straightforward menu with a simple icon-driven interface. Preset buttons for each film type automatically adjust lens positions and reduction ratios to best capture the specified media. The UScan Plus Advanced software offers a host of capture tools and post-capture image adjustment options. Tools like Learn As You Go, Zoom and Focus increase efficiency by automatically learning users' most used lens positions to speed up image access, review, and output. Framing and scissor tools make it easy for users to crop specific articles or images. All edits are shown on screen and real time for an accurate view of how final images will be preserved. Captured images are shown in the cart. Once all the desired images are captured and edited, they can be saved to any file type and optimized with optical character recognition, or OCR, to create text searchable documents. Files can then be shared via a variety of traditional, digital, web, or cloud-based options. The scanner's whisper-quiet operation, sturdy construction, and easy-to-use interface make it an ideal choice for public and private research by students, genealogists, library patrons, and other researchers. An autoplay video tutorial, quick help menu, and in-software help buttons make operation easy for first-timers and experienced users. The scanner's interlibrary loan capabilities, optional pay-per-use interface, and low maintenance requirements make it a favorite amongst staff, as well as patrons. The durably constructed tabletop scanner can fit into nearly any existing workspace. An optional monitor stand mimics the ergonomics of traditional microfilm reader printers, while offering the latest in capture technology. Foot pedals are also available to facilitate automated, hands-free capture. At the Crowley Company, every member of our worldwide team is dedicated to providing archivists, records managers, librarians, and others working with microform collections the highest quality of digitization equipment, software, and services. Reach out today for more information on how Crowley can revolutionize the way you digitize.